Your doctor told you eggs would kill you, that the cholesterol would clog your arteries, that your heart would pay the price. But what if everything you've been told about eggs is backwards? What if those 4 eggs aren't destroying your body? What if they're rebuilding it? This is what actually happens when you eat 4 eggs every day. And the truth is going to make you question everything you thought you knew about nutrition. Let's start at day 1. You crack open 4 eggs. You cook them. You eat them. Within 2 hours, something remarkable happens in your digestive system. Those eggs break down into their core components: complete proteins, essential fats, and a molecule that most people have never heard of, choline. Here's what nobody tells you about choline. It's the raw material your brain uses to make acetylcholine, the neurotransmitter responsible for memory, focus, and cognitive processing. Most people are walking around choline deficient and don't even know it. 4 eggs give you nearly 500 milligrams of choline. That's more than what most people get in 3 days. By day 3, your brain starts responding. You wake up sharper. That afternoon fog you're used to, it starts lifting. Your thoughts feel clearer, like someone adjusted the focus on a blurry lens. But here's the twist. While your brain is getting stronger, your body is preparing for something else entirely. Something most people don't expect. By day 4, your body realizes something. You're feeding it 24 grams of complete protein every single day from those eggs alone. Complete protein. That's the key phrase. Unlike plant proteins that are missing essential amino acids, eggs contain all 9 in perfect ratios. Your body doesn't have to work to piece together incomplete proteins. It gets everything it needs. Immediately, here's what starts happening. Your muscles begin retaining more nitrogen. That's the biochemical signal for muscle protein synthesis. Even if you're not lifting weights, your body starts preserving and building muscle tissue more efficiently. But wait, there's something happening that most people never connect to eggs. Your hair, your skin, your nails, they're all made of protein, specifically keratin. By day 7, you might notice your nails growing faster, feeling stronger. Your hair starts looking different, shinier, fuller. This isn't magic. This is what happens when you finally give your body the amino acids it's been craving. And we're just getting started. Week 2 is where things get interesting, because eggs aren't just protein. They're hormone factories. Inside that yolk is cholesterol. Yes, cholesterol, the molecule you've been taught to fear. But here's what they don't tell you. Cholesterol is a precursor to every single sex hormone in your body. Testosterone, estrogen, progesterone. Without adequate cholesterol, your body can't make hormones efficiently. And most people eating low-fat diets are running on fumes. By day 10, your body starts producing hormones at optimal levels. For men, that means testosterone production gets the raw materials it needs. You feel more energetic, more motivated. Your recovery from workouts improves. For women, hormonal balance starts stabilizing. The mood swings tied to hormonal fluctuation begin evening out. Energy becomes more consistent throughout the month. But here's the paradox nobody talks about. While you're eating cholesterol, your blood cholesterol might actually improve. How? Because when you eat enough dietary cholesterol, your liver produces less of it. Your body is a self-regulating machine. It doesn't need to make what you're already providing. And the cholesterol in eggs? It's packaged with phospholipids that actually help your body metabolize fat more efficiently. By week 3, something shifts in your metabolism, and it has to do with a molecule most people ignore: vitamin B12. 1 egg contains 46% of your daily B12 requirement. For eggs, you're getting nearly double your daily needs. B12 is a spark plug for your mitochondria, the energy factories inside your cells. Without enough B12, your mitochondria run sluggish. You feel tired. Your metabolism slows. But with optimal B12, your cells start producing energy more efficiently. By day 18, you notice you're not reaching for that 3rd cup of coffee anymore. Your baseline energy is higher, more stable. And here's where it gets fascinating. The healthy fats in those egg yolks trigger the release of cholecystokinin, CCK for short. It's the satiety hormone that tells your brain you're full. You start eating less at other meals without trying, not because you're restricting, but because your body finally feels satisfied. People who add 4 eggs to their daily routine often naturally reduce their overall calorie intake by 200 to 300 calories per day. They're not hungry. They're just full. The final week is where something most people never expect starts happening. Your vision improves, not dramatically. You're not throwing away your glasses, but something subtle shifts. Egg yolks contain lutein and zeaxanthin, two carotenoids that accumulate in your retina. They act like natural sunglasses, filtering harmful blue light and protecting your macula from oxidative damage. By day 25, your eyes feel less strained after screen time. Colors look slightly more vibrant. Night vision seems a bit sharper. This is what happens when you feed your eyes the nutrients they're designed to run on. But there's something else happening beneath the surface. Something in your blood that's changing the game entirely. Let's talk about what you've been told versus what's actually true. You've been told eggs cause inflammation, that they'll spike your inflammatory markers and put you at risk for chronic disease. But study after study shows the opposite. Eggs contain anti-inflammatory compounds like choline and omega-3 fatty acids, especially in pasture-raised eggs. They also have antioxidants like selenium that reduce oxidative stress. By day 30, people eating 4 eggs daily often see their inflammatory markers improve, not worsen. C-reactive protein, a key inflammation indicator, tends to go down, not up. Why? Because you're replacing inflammatory foods with nutrient-dense whole foods. Those 4 eggs are crowding out the processed carbs, the refined sugars, the seed oils that actually drive inflammation. Eggs aren't the problem. They're part of the solution. But let's be honest, this isn't all sunshine and perfect health markers. There are things that can go wrong, and you need to know them. First, egg quality matters. A conventional egg from a factory farm is not the same as a pasture-raised egg from chickens eating insects and greens. Factory eggs are lower in omega-3s, lower in vitamins, and potentially higher in inflammatory omega-6 fatty acids. If you're eating 4 eggs a day, quality becomes non-negotiable. Second, some people are hyperresponders to dietary cholesterol. About 25% of the population sees significant increases in LDL cholesterol when they eat eggs. For these people, 4 eggs daily might not be ideal. You need to know your numbers. Get blood work done. Track how your body responds. Third, allergies. Egg allergies are one of the most common food allergies. If you have any immune reaction to eggs, skin issues, digestive problems, inflammation, this protocol isn't for you. And finally, context matters. For eggs on top of a diet filled with processed foods, sugar, and inflammatory oils won't save you. Eggs are powerful, but they're not magic. They work best as part of a whole food, nutrient-dense diet. So what actually happens after 30 days of eating 4 eggs every day? Your brain works better, sharper memory, clearer thinking, better focus. Your body composition improves, more muscle retention, better satiety, reduced cravings, your hormones balance, more stable energy, better mood, improved recovery. Your eyes get stronger, less strain, better protection from blue light. Your inflammation drops, better blood markers, reduced oxidative stress. And here's the part nobody talks about. You feel different, more grounded, more satiated, like your body finally has what it needs to function optimally. 4 eggs every day for 30 days isn't a diet hack. It's a return to eating real food.